Today I'm going to be reviewing SWRT's double-sided nano tape, 1.8 inches by 10 feet. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I've seen this stuff before. I've never used it. This is what it looks up close. You can see how thick it is right there. But what's really nice about this is it's reusable. It's not going to leave any residue, and it has huge power. I mean, this you can use to hang paintings, to prevent rugs from slipping. Anything like that works on most surfaces. Perfect for marble, ceramic tile, glass, metal, plastic, and finally, wood. It won't do a great job on uneven surfaces, wet surfaces, powdered walls, or a painted wall. You know, one of the nice things, let's say you're renting an apartment or you don't want to have holes in your wall. You don't want that painting to leave holes, or you're not allowed to. This is going to work. It holds up to 180 pounds or 3 pounds for every 2 inches. All right, so I'm just going to show you on their box. Put it on there just like that. It's going to hold it. It's super strong, but it's easy to remove. Leaves no residue, and it's reusable. The best part about this nano tape, it is an Amazon choice, which I always love to see. People are keeping this. I don't see that they're returning it. It gets 4.4 stars, almost 300 reviews, and last month, 300 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.